Long Thanh Golf Club is located in the Southern Economic Triangle, about 40 minutes by car from the center of Ho Chi Minh City. Designed by Mr. Ron Freem, founder of architecture firm Golfplan, Freemdale Golf Course Architecture, with over 35 years of experience in the design, construction and maintenance of golf courses worldwide. Long Thanh Golf Course was voted as the most beautiful and best golf course in Vietnam and one of the most beautiful golf courses in Asia. Long Thanh Golf Course is also a place serving nearly 1,000 members, of which more than 60% are from Europe, Japan, Korea, Singapore, China, Thailand. With an area of more than 350 hectares, of which about 100 hectares are grassy hills and located in a high hill position, surrounded by 2/3 of the circumference by Dong Nai tributaries, the climate here is very cool, fresh and scenic. Gentle but charming. Owning great style that winding through the palm trees, lakes and waterfalls leave Long Thanh Golf Club truly beautiful scenery. The golf course is covered by Paspalum grass, not only creating a level of beauty but offering exact shoots for golfers. With the landscapes and beautiful countryside around, cool climate giving players a sense of absolute relaxation to enjoy golf tours in Saigon, Vietnam. Currently, there are 2 golf courses at Long Thanh, hill courses with 18 holes and lake courses with 18 holes. Both golf courses at Long Thanh Golf Club are perfectly designed to bring golfers at all levels thrilling and exciting challenges for golf tours in Vietnam. The lighting system is of international quality, serving even golfers who love to play golf in Saigon at night. Another strength of Long Thanh Golf Club is professional staff, well trained in golf rules, English, fitness and customer service by a British expert from PGA, Professional Golf Association. They have satisfied customers by a professional and enthusiastic service attitude to customers on each golf course. The most perfect service system and spirit of service has been and is always ready to welcome you to Long Thanh Golf Course, where you surely enjoy great golf tours in Vietnam. Each hole of the golf course has par 36 and offers a variety of challenges for both professionals and beginners. The golf course is a delicate design between undulating green rolling balls, winding through palm forests or artificial lakes, small waterfalls. Few golf courses in Asia can compare with Long Thanh Golf Club in that golfers can both play and enjoy the magnificent scenery, fresh and cool environment. The 18-hole lake courses is designed with international standard lighting to play golf at night. At night, the yard looks like a fanciful and romantic wing. The charm and attractive beauty of that Vietnamese style seems to be enhanced with the lighting system and fresh air, contributing to more accurate shots. Built from the hands of famous designer Mr. Ron Freem, with 35 years of experience in the construction and maintenance of major golf courses around the world. Long Thanh Golf Course is one of the masterpieces voted as the most beautiful and best golf course in Vietnam. At the same time, this is also the golf course in the top of the most beautiful golf courses in Asia. Long Thanh Golf Courses is always the top choice of best golf courses in Saigon, Vietnam. Mr. Ron Freem cleverly took advantage of the location and topographical advantages of this place to create a magnificent project. The special design style offering the most flexible ways for all golfers to enjoy playing golf in Vietnam. This has turned Long Thanh Golf Course to be an ideal destination for those who want to conquer exciting and thrilling challenges during golf tours in Vietnam. Referring to Long Thanh Golf Club, one must mention the wonderful structure here. This golf course is designed with 36 holes, standard golf course of 72 strokes for 18-hole golf courses, suitable for both leisure and sport players who love to play golf in Vietnam. Long Thanh Golf Club is an international standard golf courses in Saigon, Vietnam. The grass used on the course is completely real and specialized for international golf courses in Vietnam. It is known that this grass variety is 100% imported from countries specializing in supplying grass for famous golf courses. On fair and teeway, Mr. Ron Freem has cleverly brought the color-resistant Paspalum grass to withstand the cutting pressure of the good green area to increase the experience for players. In particular, the grass used in the green area is Tifdwaf Bermuda grass, a specialized grass for world professional tournaments. With great location, beautiful scenery, professional staff, great services, Long Thanh Golf Club is a great choice for all golfers who love to play golf in Saigon, Vietnam. Bluebell Tours Vietnam is a well-established travel company based in Hanoi. Opened from 2004, we have many years of experience in organizing tours and holidays in Vietnam. We are the partner with all golf courses in the country, and this leave us priority to get best price from all the golf courses. More than just booking the golf courses, we also provide golf packages, include most of everything. Therefore what you need is to enjoy play golf in Vietnam. To book any golf courses or golf packages, please call our hotline or WhatsApp at +848 6975 7803. Bluebell Tours is where you can expect for the best.